Hey guys, quick video here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your Android look amazing. Like all you're doing is theming, but it will look really good. So what you're gonna want to do is download Holo Launcher, and that's the launcher that I'm using. So Holo Launcher, and I'll explain. Well, really you want to get Holo Launcher because you could select it, edit, and edit the icon. So that's really the only reason why. And also there's some other reasons too, but I'll get into that later. So you want to go down to the description and get Holo Launcher, and once you do that, you come over here, and then you also want to get 9.1 Locker. Then once you get 9.1 Locker, I went to the 9.1 Locker settings and themed it. So I made it look like this. And you could go down to there, unlock it, messaging, camera, and calling. But I also like it because you have this nice pull down setting, and you could go right here and check or ignore your messages. So I'll just ignore it right now. But so yeah, let's get into this. So once you want to get 9.1 Locker, that's down to the description. Then you also want to get Nexus Remp or whatever. That's the wallpaper that I'm using right now. And what you want to do is just go down to the description and download that. And here it is right here. You don't need the pro version. You don't really need that. You'll just get the free version. So all you need to do is go into your settings, go into present, and press green grid. So green grid right there, you load that, and this is all you gotta do. You got a green grid. So you'll just set that as a wallpaper, and you want to get all of this to be green, and I'll show you why later. But it will just when you all finish this, it will turn out better. It will look good. So then you'll hold right there. Well, not right there, but like you'll go to your default screen, and you want to get someplace in this area right here. You'll get Bob Clock D3, I think it's called. Yeah, Bob Clock D3. And once you come over here into your widgets, you do all that. You go for your hours, you want it to be just white. Then for the minutes, you want the minutes to be like a green, and you'll just press confirm. That's all. That one was easy. So shows the clock, the day, and the date, and yeah. So after you do that, you want to get this app called Battery, and that's down in the description too. This I just like it for the notifications. It shows in the notification bar right there where my how much my battery is. So that's good. Then you want to get beautiful widgets, and usually all the stuff, like usually beautiful widgets you have to pay for, but all the stuff in the description is free. So you'll just get beautiful widgets and go down to you want to get beautiful widgets. Go down in the description to get that, and you want to use beautiful weather 4x1. So once you do that, you're gonna go into weather skins, and you want to download into standard skins. You want to download VOS flat white and apply that. Make sure it says current right there. Make sure it says current, and you'll leave all that alone, and you just click save and apply, and it'll come out white like that. So it will look nice when it all pulls together. And then you want to get circle battery widget. So circle battery widget, you want to get 2x2, and that will just show your battery right there. Then you see how your icons down here, like they don't really match, how this green and white stuff right there, it doesn't really match. So that's why you're gonna need Holo Launcher. So you can go like this, edit it, and you want to get this icon pack called Metro Station. That's also down in the description too. Metro station. So you'll come over here. So for the dialer, you actually have to go through all the little um things. So it is pretty time consuming, but it would all be worth it once it all done. So where's it at? Where's it at? I probably already passed it, but you just have to do all those little ones, and I already have it. I actually have already done it, so I'm just gonna restore it. So back up and restore, and restore desktop. Okay, so see how I already did it, and I already have my YouTube, my file manager, and everything, and all my apps. It's already done. So because I restored it, it took away the Bob clock. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick. So confirm. Then you need to go to 2x2 circle battery widget. Then beautiful weather 4x1 weather skins. Current, okay. Save and apply. So we'll do it now. Okay. Okay. So now I have all the apps all set like that. Then something you really gotta pay attention for is minimalistic text, and that's down in the description too. So in minimalistic text, you want to click 4x1, and you want to have this is pretty sure, I'm pretty sure that's going to be checked. Show background, you want to make sure it's not checked. Okay, then you want to come over here to prefine layout, go to custom, and then custom layout. So right now mine says static text, but usually it will have 3 little things right there. So I'm putting mine for the custom layout. Cabos here, that's my Twitter name. Follow me, and I'm putting that as I'm leaving it as that. So you'll just write in there whatever you want, and then you'll click Accented right there. Okay. Then you'll scroll down to Accented. You have to make sure this is bold. You could have it italic or whatever. You could have it as that, but you have to make sure the size is 32 dip, and the color. You want to come over here to the hex, and you want to make sure you copy down this code. It's FF4BC51E, and you'll do that, and it will be a nice green color to it, and then you also could select when you click whatever you wrote there, it could make another app come. So like when I put Cabos here, my Twitter name, so I'm gonna make it when I click Cabos here, it's gonna my Twitter app is gonna pop up. So all you're gonna do for that is you're just gonna click start another activity, then select an activity or shortcut, and you want to go down to your activities and select whatever you want it to launch. So once you do that, you'll just click OK. So if I click Cabos here, it will launch my Twitter. So yeah. And then once you do that, you just I already have the apps all done. I already edited them, and that's really all you gotta do. So right here, I would put right here for minimalistic text, I would put right here daily needs. Then right here, I would put just random apps that's right there. Right here, I would put social, cause Twitter, Gmail. Then what you want to do, what I did, for social. I put Facebook there, and I recommend you doing that. Then right here you're gonna have your media. So I would put up here media, right? Media, and then you want to get this app called I think it's Pure Music or something. Yeah, Pure Music 4x1. There'll be a link in the description for that too. Then you want to pick a skin, and you want to go all the way down to transparent. You want to select, you just want to install it, right? Then once you have transparent, you want to select it and save and exit. Then just click back, and there it is. Just a nice white thing to go all with it. Then there's also this app, Pandora. So once you have Pandora, it's there's a link in the description, and this kind of Pandora is not the regular Pandora. It's still Pandora, but you have unlimited skips, and the whole thing is white. So see, it's still Pandora, and everything's just white. That's the only thing. So I'll go ahead and quit out of that. Then yeah, you just want to go into minimalistic text and select all of that, and you could do all that. I'll do all that later. But you also want to have this nice what is it, LED light. So if you have a light where your camera is, you could download this app called LED Light, which is down in the description too. And you just select that, and the light comes on. That's the only thing. Once you have LED light, you might want to get Smooth Calendar. And I like this. Like, it just kind of goes with the theme really good. So Smooth Calendar. Well, it doesn't really go too much with the theme, but I just downloaded this. It's just a nice widget to have. And yeah, that's it. So you just want to make sure you have like media right there. You would like media right here, social right here. You want to have like Facebook Messenger, Gmail, Twitter, and your Facebook widget. Then right here you have any apps right there, but you want to theme it. You see how I did, like, it's all green and white. Right now that circle battery thing is showing up red. So when your battery is kind of low, it will show up red. When your battery's charging, like right now it's charging, it will show up yellow. And when it's not charging, it would show up white. When it's not like low and it's not charging, it will show up white. So I'll put it back on charger. I'm using the USB. So yeah. You want to theme it green and white. So I put green, white, then this green, white, and I use Million Moments. That's green and white, so I put that there too. Then green, white, green. This would be white there, but so then I followed it up with green and then white, and yeah, you see how it just keeps going. So yeah, that's really all you gotta do. Oh, well, there's one last thing. You wanna go, if you're using the Holo Launcher, which I really recommend you doing, you go into Launcher Settings, then Desktop, and you wanna click the Transition Effect Card Stack, and you would have wallpaper scrolling, the scrolling catchy, high quality. Then you want to go into drawer settings and transition effect card stack, high quality, and you want to enable the drawer tabs, but I just hid recent tab, and I also hid favorite tab. It was just easier to do that way, and now it has a nice effect to it. This is still loading up because I made the transition effect different, so I guess it's still trying to load up, but it'll have the same effect as this. So apparently this is not gonna load for you guys to see right now, But yeah, that's it really. So remember this quick video. This video was too quick, but rate, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter, man. Peace out.